Hello everyone, my name is Juanipis M. Navarez. I'm 17 years old. I make this video because I want to share about movie and the title is Frozen. I know all of you has watched this, but I just share to those who have seen this. In the kingdom of Arendelle, Princess Elsa has the power of freezing and creating ice and snow, and her younger sister and loves to play with her. When Elsa accidentally hits Anna, the heat will grief and almost kill her. Their parents bring them to trolls that save Anna's life and make her forget an ability of her sister. Elsa returns to the castle and keeps herself recluse in her room with her of hurting Anna with her increasing power. Their parents die when their ship sinks in the ocean and 3 years later. The coronation of Elsa forced her open gate of castle to celebrate with the people. Anna meets Prince Hans at the party and she immediately falls in love with him and decides to marry him. But Elsa not accept the marriage and loses control of her power, freezing Arendelle. Elsa flees to the mountain and Anna teams up the peasant Kristoff and his rangers Steven and the snowman Olaf to seek out Elsa. They found on her icy castle and she accidentally hit Anna in the hurt snow. Only true love can save her sister from death. Elsa and Anna, the two of them was helping each other since they are kids, but because of misunderstanding of them, has realized that no matter what happened, they are sister at the end.